The yellow ticket you receive from the police on the side of the road is called a summons. In Virginia, it's called the Virginia Uniform Summons. This document has essentially two purposes. The first is legal. The document is a legal document that informs you when and where you are to appear in court, what charge that you're facing, and your signature on that summons is your promise to appear in court. That document is necessary to charge you for failure to appear in court or to try you in your absence. The other part of the summons includes biographical or demographic information, where and when you received your ticket, where you're accused of committing the offense, your vehicle information, your personal information, height, weight, ethnicity, which officer wrote the summons. That information is also included on the summons. That information is for administrative purposes and for aiding the officer in testifying at court. However, this information, while not legally significant on its face, can sometimes play a role in a trial. If it becomes an issue, for instance, whether or not you were the person who received the ticket, that information may be important. For instance, if your brother had your driver's license and he got a ticket and handed the officer your driver's license and claimed to be you, and you want to go to court and prove that you're not the person there, if the height, weight, ethnicity information doesn't match you, you can use that as evidence that it wasn't you who signed the summons on the side of the road. Another issue is the weather box. So for instance, if the weather becomes an issue and the officer is claiming it was clear and the box says rainy, you can point to that and use that as evidence that in fact it was raining on the day in question. So the information that is biographical or demographic, administrative in nature, if there's an error there, it doesn't automatically mean anything. It's only if the facts of the case in question are relevant to that issue that it might become important. If the time, date, location, offense, or your signature is messed up, that may have some legal significance regarding whether or not you have to appear in court, whether or not you can be charged with failure to appear, that sort of thing. So if you ever have any questions about a mistake on your summons, please call a local attorney and get a free consultation. At Nichols & Green, if you've been charged with an offense in Northern Virginia, you can call any time and get a free consultation from us. And we're happy to answer questions about your specific summons and any mistakes that might be on there.